Yo, it's your boy RV from Skillful Solutionz. Back at you with another great video about this great platform called Builderall. Now this gonna be a real short video. It's only gonna talk about one of the tools that's within inside the Builderall platform that they don't advertise. You know what I'm saying? It ain't in none of the tools in anything in the plan, but it's a great tool that you can use. So let's dig in real quick so I can show it to you. Boom, log in. And the tool is going to be the URL Shortener. That's it right here. Real quick tool. So if you got a URL that's very long, like say if you, let's just say that, let me look at this one. Let me see something real quick. Say new URL Shortener, right? And then you might want to title this. Let's title it test. Title with test, right? And then if we use a long URL, let's see. Let me just go find one to be able to use real quick, like this right here. Boom. That's just like I'm just using anything just so you can see how it works. Boom. You grab it, copy it, go back to URL Shortener, and now you add it, paste it. Boom. Now it's pasted, and then you save. Just that easy. It's created. Just that easy. It's created. You see it say test. Just that easy. Boom. You hit it. Look, this is where it takes us back to, right? So this is a great tool if you just want to shorten URL. Sometimes you get like if you're an affiliate and you get an affiliate link and things like that or whatever, you can use this tool for that. And then if you want to edit it and add a different URL for the test or whatever. Actually, you can put a custom right here, customize it right here, and put I can put RV IZOL, because you gotta have so many letters, right? And now I can save it. And now look, it got my custom name. Boom, what I wanted to say behind it. Oops. Get out of there. You know what I'm saying? So this is another great tool within Builderall that you can, customize your you can customize the URL, shorten it, and then you can customize it. You know what I'm saying? Where you will know exactly what it is and put whatever you want to put in there, right? And so here you can, like I said, you can edit it. Then here you can go preview it and it take you back to it. Right, and then here is the report that you can show how many times somebody clicked it, and give you a full report of that URL. It give you the long one right here, and this is the short one right here. You know what I'm saying? So then we get up out of here, and then you got this. How you copy it? That's how you copy it, right? You first copy, it's gonna say copy. And then you can go and let's see, and paste it. And there it go again. You know what I'm saying? So this is a great another tool that you can use within Builderall. And if you want to go here to delete it, boom, we'll delete it. You know what I'm saying? But again, that's a great tool within Builderall if you just want to shorten your URLs. And sometimes you have a long URL. Like I said, if you're an affiliate or something like that, it's long with all the extra words, letters, and everything like that. You can go right in here, boom, and get it and shorten it. The URL Shortener. The URL Shortener. Shorten long links and track data. That's what it do. It shorten long links and track data. And you can, as you can see, I got several of them here created already. But again, here's another great tool throughout Builderall. Listen, if you want to, if you want me to make more content like this, like, share, subscribe. Right, like, share, and subscribe, and click the link below if you want to try Builderall for free. 14 days for free, and I believe as of the time I made this video, you get the first 2 months $7 a month for the first 2 months. $7 a month. You can't beat that. You see all these great tools. A lot of these great tools haven't been mentioned, on the website, but there's a lot of great tools in here. Again, click the link below to get the 14-day free trial. You know what I'm saying? And then click the link below if you need a URL shortened. You know what I mean? You might need one shortened real quick and you don't have the platform. Listen, go to Skillful Solutionz. Skillful Solutionz. Click the link down below and then someone will get back to you, or just leave a comment and somebody will get back to you. This your boy RV. I'm out. Peace.